Are you looking to sell on Amazon? Are you an entrepreneur at heart but you've never known which business to get into? Maybe you've tried other online businesses but never found anything that quite clicked for you. Well, you're in the right place. Here at Jungle Scout, we teach people the exact steps to launching an Amazon business right from home and creating a life of time and money freedom that we all strive for. Jungle Scout was formed in 2015 by Greg Mercer, an 8-figure Amazon seller and entrepreneur at heart. At the time, he was running a small Amazon business, but had this continual pain point of trying to decide what products to sell. Coming from an engineering background, he believed there had to be a way to use cold hard data to determine the best products to launch next. With a modest $1,000, he created a Chrome extension that worked directly on Amazon, providing sales estimates, telling him the exact demand of products on the site. It was at this point he realized this tool could help others, and Jungle Scout was born. Today, Jungle Scout offers a suite of tools to help you with product research, all the way to launching and growing your Amazon business. The team has grown to over 80 employees across every continent in the world. Amazon sellers, engineers, data scientists, customer service specialists, marketers, all with the same mission that Greg began, to empower Amazon sellers and build a life of freedom, whatever that looks like for you. On this channel, expect to see detailed how-to videos on every aspect of running an Amazon FBA business. Product research, sourcing products, launching them, marketing and PPC. You also see real-life case studies where we publicly launch products and show you all the steps along the way. Jungle Scout is the one-stop channel to find the best information on running an Amazon FBA business. Make sure to subscribe to our channel in order to see the videos we post every single week. Happy selling!